Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone using Google My Business Location. So major key point is called if I am using any Google Map location, how we adding the websites? Little bit confused. So I'll show the two thing option. One is called how we adding for social icons Google Map location and how we can adding for contact us form. So this is a location. So they're showing some other location is there. I have to show Google My Business location into my website. How it is possible? In this purpose, first of all, your Google My Business is verified and must and should important. So already is verified, perfect, 100%. After this one, there will be search on Google is first step. Same will be. After that, open your map. In the open your map, the show will be here. When you're searching Google, that is selecting incognito window without login option. No need for login option required. That is called without login is required. After that, click for share. In this, if we add the link will be here under social icon. This is a copy link. It is adding for in your website social icon. Now your icon will be only here. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp is there. In this, I'm adding in a Twitter replace. I'm adding for Google Map location. First of all, login cPanel. I'm logging cPanel, public underscore HTML, where you can create the website files. We can go to this edit option. In this, I have to use where Twitter is there. You can use this option will be here. So here, I'll just add in here. In a target will be given Google and refresh. This code can understanding only for developers. Here now will be previous Twitter is there. Now is a Google. Now click. My map is open. My map is open. Here little bit one more stuff is there. Suppose you have to show the reviews also. Copy the URL. Only that people will be writing review purpose in this hash reviews. So this will be here. So here they will be calling for reviews here. No worry about that. I'll show one more option. Sometimes is happening for this kind of issues. Reviews. This will be what are the exactly will be show to customer. We can show to will be here in the review position. So they will be show to will be review in this option. So this is a method we can add in for here. One more option in our contact form we can show our map. How is that possible? In this go to option name is called embed map. Which one? Embed map. If you are logging in cPanel, header scores, we have to go for contact us page, edit. So previous, what are the map is the iframe code. Look into the iframe code. Here width is 100, height will be 450. Replace in this code, we can add your own code. In this, always width will be 100%. So why we can give 100% width? That mean by it is compatible by the mobile and desktop and tablet purpose. So that is called width will be given by the 100% to adding Google Maps on your particular websites. Follow these instructions and careful to note down this option. So two things are very important on a particular options. To activate on a particular options are here. So this is a method we have to follow to activate Google Map Business and your social media icons and your Google Map option. Follow these instructions and careful to optimize Google Map location on social icon on your particular contact us form. If any doubts, if anyone need your Google Map embed code or link, you can comment me. I definitely support your Google Map location. You can always will be supporting to my website Rakesh Tech Solution. Go to the blogs, find out the code. Any not find out the code, you can search will be here. You will be find out the code and get the code, upload on your website, properly mention it. Still you have facing the problem, you can comment me on channel by WhatsApp or my YouTube comment box. I definitely support how you can adding for Google Map location on your website. If you don't forget to, you're the beginner, please like, share, or subscribe channel and comment your question on comment drop box. I will be support to you on your particular options. Thank you. Thank you very much.